Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss about the classification of cost. There are 6 classifications available. Out of this, in today's class we are going to discuss about the first classification according to the nature or element. Let us see the classification according to elements or nature. To understand better, we must see this particular chart which is on the screen. That is, according to the elements of cost, it is classified basically into 3. That is, material, labor and expenses. So, material is further divided into direct material, indirect material. Labor, again direct labor, indirect labor. Expenses, direct expenses and indirect expenses. The first part of direct material, direct labor and direct expenses, we call it together, we call it as a prime cost. Indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses, that is, we call it as the overheads. Again, the overheads is divided into 3. We have factory overheads, which is otherwise called as works overhead or manufacturing overheads. Office and administrative overheads, selling and distribution overheads. So in factory overheads, we'll be recording all the relevant expenses related to factory. For example, factory rent, factory lighting, factory manager's salary, factory machinery depreciation, and whatever related to factory, that is indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses that is related to factory will be recorded here. And next is office and administrative overheads, where the expenses which are incurred in the office, that is administrative part, all the expenses will be recording. Office manager salary, office rent, office lighting, office, whatever the expenses are there, that will be recorded. Then the last overheads, we have selling and distribution overheads. In that we'll record all the selling expenses, sales related expenses, distribution related expenses like salesman salary, sales van depreciation, salesman commission, etc. In distribution expenses or overheads like warehouse rent, right, etc. will be recorded in the selling and distribution overheads. This is the first classification according to element, and if you understand this better, you can able to do the cost sheet in a very good manner. I hope you have understood this, and we'll see the rest of the classification in the upcoming video. If you like my classes, please like my page, subscribe, and please do share with others so that they can benefit out of this lecture. Thank you.